So yesterday we went to a parkour place. So today we're gonna build some of the stuff that they had there to train right here in my workshop.
Random dad stuff.
So we started out by measuring these 2x4s in 16-inch increments. We can get 6 pieces out of this 2x4.
Next we're gonna cut these up, but since I've never used that type of saw, he's gonna do the cutting, so he's gonna cut on these lines. So we're gonna arrange it just like an H pattern, and then use it. Let's do it. And this is what we end up with. Now we gotta make the rest of them, and we're gonna put this in a time lapse. Okay, we're all done. Now I'm gonna show you how to set it up and gonna demonstrate. So now I'm done setting it up. So what you want to do first, you're gonna get on here with 2 feet. You're gonna jump 2 feet on the next, and then next one.
I think you need to spread them out a little farther.
Okay. Finished.
All right, can I try it?
Sure.
Easy.
So now we're gonna do lunges. It's like when you put one foot, then you go with the other. And then you're just gonna keep doing that until you get to the end.
So like a single foot on each one.
Yes, then you go back.
Dang it.
What you can do to get more practice, flip it this way instead of having it like that. So then when you do the lunges,
A lot skinnier for 1 foot.
yeah.
All right, let's see it.
Plus, still gotta go back. Oh, we've got a lot more practicing to do. I'll see you next time.